Hi everyone, welcome to Impact Academy. So today let us continue with AP Geography. All right. Okay. So today let us continue with AP Geography. Last time we have seen till 80 questions. Let us continue with the 81st question. Okay. So where is the cigarette factory located in AP? So it is in Bikavolu. Bikavolu is also famous for caves, right? Bikavolu caves. Try to remember. And a not very important question. Fine. Let us go ahead. When did the construction of Vishaka Steel Factory start? So, Vishaka Steel Plant, let us look at in depth because this frequently in news, right? Vishaka Steel Plant. Okay, so it will come under scissor. Let us look at industries. Okay, so Vishaka Steel Plant is very important. So, Vishaka Steel Plant in April 1970, the Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, announced the government's decision to establish a steel plant at Visakhapatnam and with the assistance from USSR. So at that point of time, most of the steel plants or any other plants are with the help of the USSR. Okay, most of them try to remember. And USSR is the Soviet Union before disintegration into Russia and all the other countries. And the blast furnace foundation was laid with first mass concreting in 1982. So the actual construction started in 1982 and in 1970 the proposal was given. Try to remember these two figures. So initially it was part of SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Okay. So later on in February 1982, RINL was formed, Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, and it became the corporate entity of the Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant. And it is the only Indian shore-based steel plant. So this is a very advantageous thing. If the steel plant is on the shore itself, the steel which is produced can be easily carried by ship to other countries. So it is a very positive feature of the Vizag steel plant. Okay, it is a only Indian shore-based steel plant. Very important, and it is 33,000 acres. Okay, 13,000 hectares, and it is going to expand to up to 20 metric tons. So you need not remember exact figures, but approximately. So it was founded in 1982. Okay, founded in 1982, and it produces value-added steel. Value-added steel. Okay, so taking the iron ore, it converts it into pellets. Okay, cylindrical, what you say, sheets, etc., rods, etc. And around 5 million tons of hot metal, 5 million tons of crude steel, and 5 million tons of saleable steel. So try to remember these points approximately. And now let us look at the question. What is asking? So when did the construction start? So construction started in 1982. The proposal was given in 1970. So based on the given options, the best would be 1971. So what he meant was the proposal started in 1970. So perhaps the construction started in 1971. But 1982 is the founding year of Vishaka Steel Plant. So try to remember 1970 and 1982 also. So which among the following is the wrong pair? So apart from Penna cements, try to remember the other ones. Okay, Texmaco cements, Erraguntla, Panyam cements, Kurnool, and associated cements, Tadepalli. So even if such a question is asked, you may not be able to answer. So don't worry, it can be asked in economy also. So at that point, if you remember anything, it is fine. Otherwise, not a big deal. Just move ahead. Guntur, Venkatagiri, and Madhavaram are famous for. So let us look at some of these GI tags which are very important. Just a minute. GI tags of Andhra Pradesh are very, very, very important. So let us spend some time on this. These are very important. So if you look at saris, first thing, look at Uppada saris. Okay, Uppada. There are four major saris, right? So most of the things we have in handicraft. Observe this. Most of our GI tags, geographical indication tags, are in handicraft region. Very few are in food section. Okay, one is the Tirupati Laddu and another is Bandar Laddu. So Uppada is in East Godavari, Kakinada. Okay, so previously East Godavari, after bifurcation, now it is in Kakinada. And Uppada sarees are very famous. The Jamdani sarees, and what are Venkatagiri? Venkatagiri sarees are in Tirupati. Very important. Try to remember. Mangalgiri sarees are in Guntur. Okay, and Dharmavaram. Previously it was in Anantapur, now it is in Satyasai district, Sri Satyasai district. So these four are famous for sarees. And also look at others also. Sri Kalahasti, previously it was in Chittur, now it is in Tirupati. It's famous for the Kalamkari art and the Kalahasti temple. Kondapalli is in Vijayawada and Etukoppaka. See, Etukoppaka toys is in Anakapalli. Okay, these both are famous for toys. Kondapalli toys and Kondapalli fort, everything is in Vijayawada. Etukoppaka is in Anakapalli. Try to remember. And Aruku Valley is in ASR district, everyone is aware. So observe these things. Bobili Veena, Bobili is in Vijayanagaram, right? And Guntur Mirchi Yard is the largest Mirchi Yard in whole of India or Asia, something is there. Try to look at that. The Buditi Bell and Brass Metal Craft. Okay, this is also famous in Srikakulam. Machilipatnam is in Krishna. Now it is the headquarter, I believe, of Krishna, right? And Kondapalli is in NTR. Okay, Vijayawada is now in NTR district, not in Krishna. Try to remember that. And you can see Udaigiri. So Udaigiri caves that is in Madhya Pradesh, that is different. Here in Nellore you have Udaigiri, which is famous for wooden cutlery. Okay, Nellore, Udaigiri, and Palnadu. Palnadu Durgi stone carvings are also very famous. Okay, and Allagadda stone carvings are in Nandyala. Okay, remember Allagadda is in Nandyala, Durgi is in Palnadu, Udaigiri is in Nellore, and all the others we have just seen. So all this is very, very, very important. Okay, try note down everything. It's very important. Now let's look at the question. So Guntur, Venkatagiri, Madhavaram. Okay, we have already seen Uppada, Mangalgiri, Dharmavaram, etc. All these are famous for handloom garments. Kalamkari, Kalamkari is Tirupati Srikalahasti and Krishna Machilipatnam. Kalamkari. Those are famous for Kalamkari. So mats and lac. Let us look at that also. Uh, that is there in industries, right? Irrigation, minor industries. Let us just quickly have a look on minor industries. Okay. So Kalamkari items, Machilipatnam, handloom industry, Guntur, Venkatagiri, Madhavaram, lac goods, Etukoppaka and Vishakhapatnam. Okay, lac goods, brass items. Okay, Sri Kalahasti. And basically, we've seen Kalamkari is also in Kalahasti and Machilipatnam. And what else? Carpets, Eluru, West Godavari. Eluru carpets are very famous. And the Zari sarees, Venkatagiri and Nellore. So note down all these mats in Nellore. Okay, mats in Nellore, carpets of Eluru. So mats Nellore. Okay, Kalamkari is both Chittur and Machilipatnam. Kalamkari, lock dolls. He's in Etukoppaka and Vishakhapatnam. So Etukoppaka and Vishakhapatnam. And where is Etukoppaka? Just now we have seen. Okay, Etukoppaka is in Anakapalli. Etukoppaka is in Anakapalli and Kondapalli toys are in Vijayawada. Fine. So Guntur, Venkatagiri and Madhavaram are famous for handloom garments. Very important question. It can come in the exam. Where was the only shipbuilding center of India located? Obviously, where was the only shipbuilding center of India? It's in Vishakhapatnam. Okay, Vishakhapatnam, there is a shipbuilding center. The number of national highways that goes through Andhra Pradesh. So let us quickly look at the national highways. Okay, where is the national highways? Okay, roads, highways, and railways of India. So we have seen national highway. Total national highways in India is 599. Total national highways in AP is 55. Okay, and that includes one national expressway also, which is NE7. It is of 8,683 kilometers. Anyway, so try to roughly remember. You can observe Panchayat roads are the biggest, 79,000 biggest roads, and followed by district roads. Okay, 26,000. State highways are 13,500. and R&B 46,000 in general combination of this. And national highways obviously will be less in number, and it forms around 6,900. Now, I mean, these are old statistics. Now it would be somewhere around 8,000, I believe. So total 53,000, it would come to something around 80,000. Remember all that. So remember roughly, just look at the trends also. Panchayat roads will obviously make up the major part, followed by state highways, etc., and district roads. Okay, district roads, state highways, and national highways. So number of national highways are 55, including national expressway. If you remove that, it will be 54. And these are the various state highways. Okay, difficult to remember, but just in case one or two you can remember. And these are the important national highways. See, highway 16, 44. Okay, 340 is frequently asked. And see, national highway 44 is going to this region, like Karnool and Sarchasai, Annamaya, etc. And NH40 is going like this, okay, and NH16 is going like this. What is NH16? Chennai to Kolkata. So NH16 is going from Chennai here to Kolkata. It's a very prominent highway of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so try to at least remember these three minimum. NH16 is Chennai Kolkata. NH40 NH40 is Kurnool and Ranipet. Okay, where is it? Kurnool and Ranipet, NH40. NH44 is Jammu and Kashmir and Tamil Nadu. So it is coming from Jammu and Kashmir and it is going to Tamil Nadu, NH44. So try to remember at least those three, very important. So this is 55. Okay, this is the old question. Current figure is 55. Through which district NH44 is passing through? NH44. So NH44 is going like this, right? So where is it going? Kurnool, Anantapur, Satyasai. Okay. What is the question? Kurnool, Anantapur, not Chittoor. Okay. Chittoor is here. It is going like this, right? It is going like this. It is not going to Chittoor. So Kurnool, Anantapur, and Satyasai. NH44 is going, and national highway which joins Raichoti, Chinnamandir, Gurramkonda, and Kurbalakota. So where is Raichoti? So 340 is Raichoti, Bangalore. Okay, 340 is Raichoti, Bangalore, and fine. Okay, so Raichoti, just let us quickly look at where is Raichoti. So Raichoti is Annamaya district. Okay, Raichoti is the headquarter of Annamaya district. So that means it is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so from here it is going to Bangalore. So somewhere here, right? From Raichoti it is going to Bangalore, and that is NH 340 highways. Okay, NH 340 Raichoti, Bangalore. So Raichoti, etc., is NH 340. So try to remember these things minimum. So we've seen NH40, right? NH40 we've seen. Where is NH40 going? NH40 is going through this area in the central. That would be Nandyal, YSR, Tirupati, etc. Okay, and NH44 is going from Jammu and Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. Remember that. And NH16 is from Kolkata to Chennai. Okay, Kolkata to Chennai. So 44 is going to Kurnool and Anantapur. It is going in the extreme western part, right? And NH 340 Raichoti to Bangalore. Try to remember at least these three. So APSRTC SRTC entered into Guinness Book of Records in 1999. Okay, try to remember. Which was the first railway line constructed in Andhra Pradesh. So let us briefly look at the railway lines also. Okay. So if you talk about railways, in 1862, first railway line was constructed in Andhra Pradesh from Puttur to Renigunta. Very important. 1862 Puttur to Renigunta. And India's first railway line is in 1853. So obviously before 1862, it is first line is between Bombay and Thane. So remember all that thing. And 3,700, okay, total railway. Try to note down. Rail density is 16.59, okay. And Howrah Chennai is being upgraded to high-speed rail. It's part of the Diamond Quadrilateral project. Which one? The Howrah Chennai. Howrah means basically from Kolkata to Chennai. It is part of the Diamond Quadrilateral. Remember that, okay. Currently we have South Central, East Coast, and Southwestern. Try to read this also, very important. So the new one, okay, the new one is South Coast. Already we have South Central, East Coast, and Southwestern. Now the new one is South Coast Railway Zone. Not yet, it has not yet started formally. So South Coast Railway Zone is the new railway zone that is proposed in Visakhapatnam, headquartered at Visakhapatnam, and it is the 18th. Okay, and it will be in three divisions. Walter will be abolished after it is formed. Vijayawada, Guntur, and Guntakal. Okay, try to read all this. It will be in Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram, and part of Srikakulam up to Naupada. And the part of Srikakulam left over will be merged into the Purva division of the East Coast Railway. So this will be in Orissa. East Coast Railway will be in Orissa, right? And South Coast will be Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Telangana. Okay, and 1,106 kilometers of the present Walter division, which will be abolished after Vijayawada, Guntur, and Guntakal are formed. Fine. So majorly, 1862 is the first railway line constructed in Andhra, Puttur to Renigunta. So in which year was the first railway line constructed in Andhra? 1862. Okay, Puttur to Renigunta. 1853 is the first railway line Bombay to Thane. Okay. So according to the comprehensive report of the Vishaka Metro Rail, how many kilometers is to be constructed? Fine. So just try to remember 42.55 kilometers is the metro rail that is coming. Try to remember. 42, it can be asked also. 42.55. So which district Krishnapatnam port is located? So let us look at ports. Where are the ports? So these are the important ports. All are very important. See, Bhavanapadu, Megavaram in Srikakulam. Also Bhavanapadu, Kalingapatnam in Srikakulam. Next, if you come to Vizianagaram, you have Bhimunipatnam. And in Vishakhapatnam, you have Gangavaram, okay, Gangavaram, Mutyalamapalem, and a little bit down if you go to Kakinada and Anakapalli, you have Nakapalli, okay, Nakapalli, Tondangi, and in Kakinada, you have Kakinada Deep Water Port, Kakinada Anchorage Port, and Kakinada SEZ Port, okay, and Narsapuram, which will be, I believe, in Konaseema region, right, this one, and Machilipatnam, Krishna, Nizampatnam in Guntur, Vadarevu in Guntur, and Ramayapatnam in this would be Nellore, right? Nellore and Krishnapatnam, Dugrajpatnam. So try to remember all these things: Nizampatnam, Vadarevu, Krishnapatnam. Okay. So what is the question? In which district Krishnapatnam port is located? So Krishnapatnam is in Nellore, right? Nellore. This region, if you look at the new map, it is in okay Tirupati. So observe carefully, it is here. So it is somewhere here. So look at the options. If Krishnapatnam, right? See, Tirupati is not there. So Nellore. If Tirupati is there, then obviously you'll have to. Even then, I think Krishnapatnam is in Nellore only. So Nellore is the right option. Which seaport is called as Greenfield Seaport? So if you look at this, ports that are proposed, okay, these blue color ones are those which are proposed. So already existing are Vishakhapatnam, Gangavaram, Krishnapatnam are already operational. So what is the question? Which of where is this? Which is a greenfield? So Krishnapatnam. Okay, Krishnapatnam is here. It is already operational. It is greenfield means right from the beginning it has been developed. Okay, brownfield means When something is there, you take and renovate it, increase its capacity, modify it. That is called brownfield. Right from the beginning, if you build, it is Krishnapatnam. So among these things, Krishnapatnam has been developed as the relatively green field. Water is in Guntur, Machilipatnam, Krishna, all we've seen, right? So let us continue. So which is the deepest seaport? Okay, Gangavaram is the deepest seaport. Okay, Gangavaram is the deepest seaport, and Vishakhapatnam is the what you say deepest natural, I believe. Just let us cross check. Vishakhapatnam port, Vishakhapatnam port, okay, is deepest. So Vishakhapatnam is the deepest port in India. Okay, that is one thing. Natural or man-made? Let us check. Natural or man-made? Okay, artificial. So Vishakhapatnam is the natural port, deep water. It's a natural deep port. Try to remember that. Okay. Vishakhapatnam is the natural deep port. Gangavaram is the artificial port, I think. Gangavaram, artificial. Is the all-weather deep water port that connects, etc., etc. Is okay. So let me cross check. So it's saying Gangavaram port has been developed as an all-weather multi-purpose port with water depth up to 21 meters, making it the deepest and capable of handling fully laden super size. So which is the deepest seaport is Gangavaram, and I think among the natural seaport, Vishakhapatnam seaport is the deepest. Just cross check. But in general, which is the deepest seaport is Gangavaram. Okay, fine. So which district has the density of population highest in Andhra Pradesh? So let us see uh, the various factors. Okay, so population density. So this is the density, right? And which is the highest? Okay, Vishakhapatnam, 1869. Population density, it is the highest. Okay, district with highest population density is Vishakhapatnam, and district with lowest population density is ASR. And in general, population density of Andhra Pradesh is 308, and population density of AP is less than the national average of 382. Try to remember that because North Indian states will have a lot of population, right? UP and Bihar, all those things will have very huge populations. So Andhra Pradesh is 308. Highest population density is Vishakhapatnam. So now what is saying? Um, which district has the density of population highest? So this was probably the previous before the division, but now Vishakhapatnam has the highest density of population, and lowest is Alluri Sitaram Raju district. So which district the highest scheduled tribes? Scheduled tribes are see now there are only two districts which are ASR and Parathipuram Manyam. Okay, try to remember that both ASR and Parathipuram Manyam are see Allur Sitaram Raju and Parthipuram Manyam both are tribal districts. And what is the population? Allur Sitaram Raju has a higher population. Okay, and but density wise, what is say Parthipuram Manyam is highest because it is small in area. So what is the question? Let us look at which district has the highest scheduled tribes. So answer will be ASR. Population wise, ASR is highest. Population density wise, Parvatipuram Manyam is highest. Fine. Okay. So we can say that highest scheduled tribes, the correct option would be, see previously ASR and Parvatipuram Manyam, they used to be in the combination of Vijayanaram, Vishakhapatnam, etc. But now you can say highest scheduled tribe population will be in the ASR. Okay. 9.53. And highest density, population density will be, I mean, in tribals will be Parvatipuram, Manyam. So in general, if you talk about highest density is in Vishakhapatnam, okay, 1869, and lowest is again ASR 77.87. Okay. So which district has the highest male and female population? Okay. So previously it was East Godavari. So now if you look at it, it will be somewhere here, right? So even now mostly East Godavari, Konaseema. Okay, one of these will be the option. Fine. Which district has the highest rural population? So again East Godavari. So even now, I mean, in the given options, East Godavari will probably have the highest rural population also. Anyway, so which one of the following is correct? Scheduled tribes in rural areas mostly live in the hill and river region. Okay, that is fine. Scheduled tribes rural population is 24 lakhs. Scheduled tribes rural. So rural areas, I mean, there'll be in all districts, rural areas will be there. So try to remember this if you can. Scheduled tribes in rural population is 24 lakhs. Okay, and urban population is 3.38. So this could be old statistics. So just cross check with the latest socio-economic survey. Again, these things, which one of the following is correct? Total child population is 52 lakhs, and the total rural child population is 37 lakhs. Okay, and even if there is an increase, there won't be too much increase, and you cannot remember the exact figures. So try to remember the ballpark figure. Okay, roughly, approximately. So total child population, the general population of the state is what, around 5 crores, right? Is it 5 crores? The general population of the state, 10th largest by population, around 5 crores, if I'm not wrong. The new census has not come. So among that, 52,000, 52 lakh or around 53 lakh, by now it would have become around 55. Remember that child population. Total rural child, 37. So majority are in rural area, and some percentage is in urban, and total urban population is 14 lakhs. So fine. So try to remember approximately that figure, 40, 20, and around 60, like that. Try to remember approximately. Fine. Let us stop here.